When I set my sights on advancing my career, I knew I needed to invest in my professional development. I wanted to hone my skills, cultivate my strengths, and become the type of leader who inspires others to greatness. And that investment began here, at the Mendoza College of Business. At Notre Dame, I found a place where leaders are cultivated. It isn't just about climbing the corporate ladder. It is about becoming the leader who makes a lasting impact on the world. At Mendoza, leadership isn't just taught. It fosters a community of mutual advancement and creates leaders who are tender, strong, and true. It empowers individuals to step into their full potential and lead with purpose. I've leveraged my academic skills and network to move up from director to VP in my company. This program has allowed me to tackle new responsibilities. At Mendoza, I'm not just learning how to become a leader. I'm becoming the leader I was meant to be. That's how we grow the good in business.